Hello, this is your boy Miguel from the Motor Mechanic 757, working on a Lexus. Going to be changing out the battery. People are wondering where the battery is at. You have to take off these plastic covers. All these plastic covers go around like that. Your battery is sitting right up under here, but you got to take a lot of plastic off to get to the battery. This is the proper tool to take the battery off. Depending on how long your car has been sitting, if it's been over 6 months, there's a high possibility that you have to reprogram and reset some of the throttle and stuff like that. Depends on how long it's been sitting, because it's a keep alive memory. When the battery dies, there's only but so much memory the computer's going to have to remember this factory settings or everything that was set the way it was. This is just a mechanic tip. If you're wondering where your battery at, it's under all this plastic right here. And it's gonna just have one battery, hold down, and then positive, negative battery comes right out. Not that difficult. If you like these videos, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.